Hey, I'm Carson with Retro Designs, and this is our latest build, a 1972 International Scout II. This is a frame-off restoration, and from bumper to bumper, everything has either been restored or replaced with new parts. So at the start of this project, we knew it was going to be a frame-off restoration, so we started by stripping the frame, sandblasting it, and having it powder-coated satin black. We then moved to the suspension and axles where all the springs got replaced, as well as every bushing. We retained the factory Dana 30 in the front, as well as the factory Dana 44 in the rear. We powder coated the housings, as well as completely rebuilt the internals of them. As far as suspension, we did a 4-inch lift on it. We put a 17-inch method race wheel on it and wrapped it in a 35-inch tall BF Goodrich all-terrain KO3. On the exterior, we started by doing all the body work and giving it a fresh paint job. On the front, we replaced all the lights with LED lights, as well as the turn signals, side markers, and tail lights. The front bumpers were replaced with aftermarket off-road steel bumpers. All the trim on the truck was stripped and powder-coated black to match the front and rear bumper, as well as the roll cage. Right now, the top is currently off. We have a soft top that we included with the build so that the customer can put that on whether it's cold or rainy, but for the nice weather, we had the top off. As far as the engine bay, we wanted to keep it very simple and clean to go along with the rest of the build. It was meant to be a simple and reliable driver, and so that's what it is with a lot of these plug-and-play systems. So starting with the engine, we upgraded the engine with a LS3 and then hooked it up to a 4L60 automatic. We upgraded the brake system with power disc brakes. This vehicle originally did not have AC, and so we retrofitted it with an aftermarket AC unit as well. We went with Dakota digital gauges on this build, which are generally very nice gauges, and they allow us to communicate with the LS3 under the hood. As far as shifters, we modified the original shifters to work with the LS swap, but also retain the original look. As far as the door panels and rear interior quarter panels, we started with factory door panels up front and wrapped them in this awesome tan leather. The rear quarter panels we fabricated in-house and wrapped in the same leather. We also used that leather throughout the rest of the build so everything's cohesive, as well as custom-made kick panels, custom-wrapped dashboard, and the seats as well. For the console, we custom-built one to include the radio up front, as well as have a storage compartment, which we covered with the factory console lid. For the seats, we started with aftermarket seats and then reworked them and reupholstered them to match the rest of the interior. In general, this project was really fun to work on, as well as it's very fun to drive. With the LS3 with 430 horsepower, it gets up and goes very well as being all new underneath, it's very tight feeling going down the road and handles very well. This is really what you want with a resto mod. It's got the appearance of a 72 Scout, but really drives like a modern car. And that's about it for this build. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. For more automotive content like this, please subscribe to our channel. And if you're interested in a build like this for yourself, please feel free to reach out to us on our website. We're gonna go with it, and if anyone says that we're lying, it's custom. That's